Hello, dear students. I hope all of you are keeping fine. In our previous video, we learned to read the paragraphs from page number 5 and 6 of your lesson 1, and today we will learn to read this page number 7. So, you can see there what is written. I am reading. All of you, please look at your book and try to read with me. Soon, the police arrived to inquire about the robbery. So the police arrived, and Mrs. Melly and Mrs. Rose, both of them were trying to save the boy, or trying to give protection to that boy, and they have already decided. And when the police arrived, what is happening? They are talking among themselves. You can see there. The robbers were two evil-looking men. So the servants are telling the servants of this Mrs. Merle and Rose are telling to the police that the robbers were evil looking. They were very dangerously looking, very, fearsome people were there. Then I hope you will find those men and punish them. So another servant is telling that the police is expected to catch that evil people and punish them. Then little Oliver wounded himself earlier while playing. So they are just telling a small lie there in order to save that boy. So they are telling this Oliver was an innocent boy, and he got wounded because he was playing somewhere. So look at the next one. You can see the police believed the servants and left Oliver in peace. Mrs. Melly and Rose took wonderful care of Oliver. So you can see this police left, did not do anything to this Oliver, and this both the gentle ladies, Mrs. Melly and Rose, took great care of this small boy. So you can look at the picture here. They are providing food and every care, just like a mother provides everything to the children. So to the you can see. Have another bite of the pie, dear. So they are treating Oliver with a great love and affection. They are caring him greatly. Okay. So you can look at the next paragraph. Every morning, Oliver went to an old gentleman who taught him how to read and write. So you can see this Oliver is also provided with a reading facility, education facility. So he was given with, he was provided a place where an old man, a learned person, taught him how to read and write. So you can look at the picture here. This teacher is teaching the Oliver. Today we will read from page number 14 onwards. So like that way he learnt everything. Next. And each night Oliver slept peacefully in a clean bed in his own room. So you can look at here. Oliver is sleeping peacefully, and he was provided with his own personal room, also his own bed, and one everything was his own. So like that way he had a very luxurious life there. This is how 3 months passed by. They were uh, they were months of perfect happiness for Oliver Twist. So you can see this for the for the for the next 3 months he had a very nice time with Mrs. Rose and Mrs. Marley. So he had a nice time. In this way, this orphan boy found a shelter during his distress time, and you know that our neighbors and our this community people, they may help us whenever we are in a need of them. So we should also be faithful to them. We should also be loyal to our neighbors and our community people, and we should also be gentle and kind to them, so that we may look after one another, and also we may be helpful to one another. So this is all about the story. You please learn to read out the paragraphs from the lesson, and I hope you can do it. So thank you for listening today. In the next video, we will be discussing about the answers of the exercises too. Thank you again.